how to turn on or turn off printing services on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, scroll down and click on More Connection Settings. After click on More Connection Settings, you will see second option is Printing. Click on Printing. You will see all printing services is showing here. If you want to turn on or turn off printing services, so you will see printing services here. If you want to turn off printing service, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see printing services turn off. If you want to turn on printing service, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see printing services turn on. You will turn on or turn off printing service from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off printing service on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.